Hi everybody, thanks for joining us today on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we have Kimball. Say hi, Kimball.
Hi.
How old are you?
6.
6 years old. And we are going to draw a
Snowman.
A what?
Snowman.
A holiday snowman. Okay, so let's get started. Alrighty, grab your black Sharpie markers and let's get started. Let's start with the head. I'm going to draw, and then you follow me. I'm going to draw a big circle. For the head. Nice job. Okay. I like to draw a scarf. Do you like scarves around your snowman?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's draw a curved line like that. And let's do another one on the other side. A curved line like that. And I'm going to connect it. So draw a curved smiley face to connect. Nice. So that's the start of our scarf. Can you do a curved line on the side? Go down. And a curved line up. Good job. Now, let's draw a circle that's kind of a big fat circle for the middle part of the body. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be squished, it can be oval, whatever you want to do. That's the fun about drawing, is you put your own style into it. So at the bottom, let's do a bigger body. Yeah, that looks great. So we have our snowman structure: head, belly, bottom. Okay. Snowmen need hats.
Yep.
Okay. So sometimes hats can be difficult, but we're going to draw what's like a halo around the snowman's head. So start here. Slowly draw. Good. And now we'll do a top hat. Curve line up. Curve line out. And let's connect that with a little curved line. Your snowman looks amazing. Good job. You're a good little artist. On the snowman's hat, let's do a little buckle. So we'll do a square. And this will be the kind of the ribbon for the belt or the hat buckle. Nice. Now our snowman needs a little personality. Should we do a smiley snowman or a frowny snowman?
Smiley.
Smiley. Okay. So we need smiley eyes, right? Smiley eyes are important. So I'm going to do a rainbow. Let's do another rainbow over here. A rainbow. And we're going to do a smile on this side of the face. So I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to go up. And let's do an open mouth, so it's... Good. I like to see my characters' tongues. It makes it more interesting. So, and then we'll color that mouth part in. And what are we missing here on the face?
The nose.
The nose. And every snowman has a what? A carrot, huh?
A carrot.
So pointy carrot nose. Good job. I like to add the coal buttons, right? Buttons for coal. So let's do kind of some squaggly, ragged little circles for coal. You can do it however you want, because coal is clumpy and bumpy. Good. And one last thing, let's do some stick arms. We'll do 2 stick arms kind of pointing up. So we'll go up. That was my phone. And we'll do up. Up.
Up.
Up. It's like this snowman's celebrating, huh? let's do a hand out. A hand out. And you don't have to be perfect on these either. It's just kind of a stick. Good job. And last but not least, let's color in our pieces of paper.